My husband and I are having a friendly little build-off with some products from Quail Olive, which is local to us. We're going to use the same products and see whose creation comes out on top. So we spent our entire kids' childhoods telling them not to play with their food. But now that they're grown up, we can have a little fun. So my husband and I have gotten some products from local to us, Quail Olive in Carmel Valley, and we decided to have a little friendly competition. So we are using products from their pantry section, including Grissini and Tarallini and the Salumi, and we are tasked to make the best Charcuterie Chalet. So using those products, we are each going to create our own house, and you get to let us know which one you prefer. So leave us a comment down below whether you prefer Jake's Charcuterie Chalet or mine. So you've seen Jake's creations, it's my turn. I'm using the same ingredients and the same size board. Let's see how it turns out. We hope you enjoyed watching our creations. We had a lot of fun. If you like this, please click like on the video and be sure to check that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.